Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta sauce Gordon Ramsay, only ways. Start by prepping your tomatoes and aromatics so everything cooks together smoothly. Heat oil gently, sweat garlic and shallots until soft, then add tomatoes and a splash of water. Season early and taste as it reduces. Keep the heat low, stir occasionally, and finish with fresh basil and a drizzle of good olive oil for balance and shine. Begin with clean mise-en place and control your heat for steady results. Blanch or crush tomatoes, then add them to softened garlic and shallots. Use a wooden spoon to break down tomatoes and keep a small splash of pasta water for texture. Simmer gently while tasting each 10 minutes, adjusting salt and acidity. Finish by stirring in basil and olive oil to lift flavors and add a silky mouthfeel. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can bring more recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make storing and reheating sauce a breeze, preventing spills and keeping flavors intact. They are great for portioning lunches or freezing single servings, and they save time on busy nights. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Taste early and often so you can guide the sauce to a bright, rounded place. If tomatoes taste too acidic, add a small pinch of sugar or a grated carrot for natural sweetness. Reserve some pasta water to loosen the sauce when tossing with pasta. Tear basil into the warm sauce rather than chopping to keep volatile oils intact. Serve with a final drizzle of olive oil and freshly grated cheese for depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.